Okay. So this is problem 16 from chapter 11 of CFIN7. So in this problem, we're going to calculate weighted average costs of capital breakpoints. So to calculate those breakpoints, we're given an amount that the company can issue, and we divide that by the percentage in the capital structure. So, and then in this case, we're going to do it for both for debt and for equity. But so Western Transportation's capital structure consists of 30% debt, 70% common equity. According to its investment banker, Western can issue up to $240,000 in new debt at a 3.8% cost. For any amount greater of new debt greater than $240,000, the cost is 5.5%. Western expects to generate $560,000 in retained earnings. Compute the weighted average cost of capital breakpoints associated with raising new funds. So for debt, we take the $240,000 and we divide it by the weight of debt, the 30%, so 0.3. So that's 800,000. So now for equity, it would be the 560,000, and we divide that by the weight of equity, 0.7, and we get 800,000. So the breakpoints for debt and equity just happens to be the same. So if the company were to need issue any more than $800,000, it would have to consider both the 5.5% and then whatever the cost of new common equity would be. So